Let's talk about the periodic table. The periodic table has columns that are called groups. In total, there are 18 groups. Atoms that are in the same group have really similar chemical properties. Like you have genes in common with your family, that's how closely related these atoms are, which is why groups can also be referred to as families. The group number can be used to help find the number of valence electrons an atom has. All of the A group follows this rule. Any atoms that are part of the B group do not. For example, if we looked at group 17 or 7A, we would see that all atoms in this group would have 7 valence electrons. For today's doodle, we are drawing a corn dancing. Leave a comment below for what you want to see next. Enjoy!